What's up, guys, and welcome to the 80% method. This is a proven method that I have tested with over 350 clients, and it works. I'm telling you guys, weight loss is actually just this simple. So what's going to be covered in this training? Well, first off, what is the 80% method? What are the 5 habits of weight loss and how to keep yourself accountable? This is just going to be a super short training, but I'm telling you guys, if you succeed and you do these 5 habits, 80% consistent out of each month, you will succeed, okay? You absolutely will succeed. 80% is equal to about 24 days, okay? So all we're actually looking for is 24 green days out of each month doing these 5 habits, and you will succeed, okay? Now, the coolest thing about these 5 habits is your coach is going to meet you where you are. So me, we're going to go ahead and meet you guys where you are when starting this program. All of these 5 habits are basically gold standards, okay? We want to work up to this point. It doesn't mean that you're starting at this point, okay? It just means that we want to work up to this point. The most important thing, okay, is that we use these 5 habits, okay, as wins, okay? And it's important that we give you 5 different wins that you can actually achieve. Because at the end of the week, I want you guys feeling like you have won. I want you guys feeling proud of yourself, and I want you guys feeling that progression that you're going to get by basically just checking off these 5 things. It sounds silly, but once we check off these 5 things and actually seriously check it off, that's going to be basically the conditioning that your mind wants to see, and it's going to correlate that to doing something right. So here are the gold standards. Everyone's going to have a different calorie goal. Meet that calorie goal 5 times a week. Everyone's going to have a different protein goal. Meet that protein goal 5 times a week. Depending on your step goal that your coach gives you, 8,000 steps is again going to be the thing that we work up to. It doesn't necessarily need to be 10,000. Drink 100 ounces of water. Again, we could start lower and then week by week work up to 100 ounces of water. Work out 3 to 4 times a week with cardio at 300 calories lost. After doing your weights, you're going to move over to a piece of cardio equipment and you're going to do that cardio for 300 calories lost. So it's not a time goal, it's actually a calorie goal. So you're basically going to jump off that cardio equipment when you see the screen reach 300 calories lost. We're going to go off the screen and not our Apple Watches, okay? Again, we're going to meet you where you're at. So if you're not working out 3 times right now, maybe we just have a goal to do it once. Maybe it's been forever since you've been in the gym. And, just getting inside the gym and getting a membership is going to be a big win for you. Okay, we have to understand that these are the gold standards, but this is not necessarily where we're going to start. We're going to meet you where you're at, so therefore at the end of the week, you can be proud of yourself, okay? Very, very important, okay? Also, bonus. These are also very important, almost even more important than the 5 above, okay? We want to keep stress to about a 5 out of 10, okay? So that means practicing things like journaling, practicing prayer, reading Bible verses, right? Avoiding television, right? Avoiding the news, reading self-help books, right? Listening to audiobooks, going on YouTube and listening to motivational videos, and most importantly, meditation. These are some of the things that I personally have used to be able to help overcome some of my anxiety and ultimately build a way positive mindset, comparatively being conditioned in a very negative thinking household. Also, sleeping. Sleeping's so vital, guys. If you are sacrificing your sleep because you're a workaholic, guys, you're not getting any more work done, okay? I'm sorry, just because there's a deadline, you're not getting any more work done. You're literally sacrificing the most important drug to humankind, sleep. Literally, everyone needs to be sleeping 6 to 8 hours. That is a gold standard. I don't care if you can function off 5, okay? 6 to 8. This is for muscle gain. This is for weight loss, okay? Now, here's the process. Your coach is going to give you a weekly assessment and basically testing these 5 habits weekly. Again, meeting you where you're at. So these 5 habits are going to be custom, okay, to each client. But on Sundays, you're going to hear back from your coach, which is me right now, okay? And we're going to be testing you on these 5 habits, okay? And again, 24 days out of each month, 24 green days is what we're looking for, okay? So in your Trainer Eyes, you're going to see these 5 habits listed. Please, please, please use Trainer Eyes, okay? Please. So therefore, we can go ahead and accurately give you your weekly assessment. If not, the other alternative is getting a wall calendar, okay? And then every single time you meet all 5 of your non-negotiables, take your green marker and make a big green check. And when you don't, take a red marker and make a big red X, okay? We need 24 green days for us to be 80% consistent, okay? Now, I want to let you guys know, anything's a win. Even if you start off by doing 50%, that's a win. Because then the following week, we can move to 55. And then from 55, we can move to 60. Then from 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Okay, do not judge yourself. Do not compare yourself to others. Everyone has their own race to run, okay? And yes, we are running this thing together, but please do not compare yourself on the leaderboard, okay? This is not a rank system, okay? Each week, we want to look at all of the wins. We want to be proud of them. And again, the top end that we're going for is just 80%. So therefore, we can live 20% of the time. And what I mean by live 20% of the time is just enjoying some of your favorite foods, enjoying restaurants, things like this, okay? But you need to be realistic. And I promise you guys, this should not be taken lightly because this is exactly how you're going to lose the weight. I'm telling you, these are 5 habits. If you're 80% consistent out of each month, you will win.